Well, my architecture is not really new from how my dad started architecture. So we learned from his example of how he approaches architecture. So it's all about discovering a form of an architecture from the site, from the place. So he derives a lot of those ideas from just looking at the place. The place becomes a sort of a co-author of the design. I think the form of our architecture is reducing the clutter that always maybe comes into the architecture as you design it, and we try to edit it until the idea of the architecture is really visible to the person who will be viewing it. It has to be very clear. The idea of architecture being pure to the idea, that's powerful. If someone would be able to read it clearly, when a person describes to you an architecture that he's seen somewhere and he can describe it visually with his own words, then that's sort of the architecture being clear and being uncluttered with other ideas. Well, we have a few projects that are interesting right now. We're doing a museum for Ayala Art Foundation. It's a unique museum. It's a non-collecting museum for performing arts and contemporary art. So that's going to be a unique first museum in the Philippines that will be dedicated to contemporary art. And recently we won a project, the College of St. Benilde School of Design. We did the first one, the original one, so we're doing the second one in Asiana, which will be which we're completing in the next few days. We won it in a competition, so we're glad that we're doing the second building because I control the design direction with the developer, and there will be it would lessen the compromise that normally involved in this in these types of development. Well, Autodesk really like Revit. We use Revit. We use a bit of AutoCAD, but I think Revit is really helping us in modeling and also coordinating with consultants. And there's a seamlessness between consultants now, especially when they have also Revit. Before, they didn't have Revit, so it was kind of difficult to coordinate with consultants. But now they're Revit capable, so there's a seamlessness in coordination. It helped us also. Some developers have acquired Revit also, so we basically just give the drawing, and we didn't have to go through the process of making construction drawings. So it's really just giving a file, and they're able to interpret that file. And the MDC tower actually of Ayala was an example of the seamlessness between us and the developer. We basically just gave the file, and they were just responsible of rebuilding it from scratch. CIM has always been very supportive, and then they have the technical expertise to give us suggestions on how to use the software. They give training to my staff who have not trained in any software. Technical problem solving of navigating through software. Design is such a powerful tool for changing the environment, changing how people perceive things, and to be successful in this field, design. It's not just about producing drawings or delivering a good project, but it's all about your perspective.